Hi guys, welcome back to Design Your Space by Thando. Thank you so much for joining me once again. This is Simple Home Improvements. Have you ever asked yourself, how do you make your bedroom more cozy without using any money, without buying any new furniture? So if you do, don't go anywhere because this video is for you. I love my bedroom, you guys. It's pretty much my favorite room in this entire home, and it's not easy to get the perfect mix of comfortable, cozy and cute all at the same time. But I am here to show you guys some of my simple ways to get this place sparkling again and as if it was brand new. So I'm gonna show you guys just a couple of tweaks here and there to make your bedroom more cozy. For me personally, my bedroom is my think hub. My bedroom is where I rest, and I do a lot in my bedroom, so I really need it to be comfortable and really cozy for me. So I'm going to show you guys how you can achieve that in your own home without using any money, just the things that you already have. If you don't have some of these things, maybe you should consider getting some, because it is gonna improve your space. And also, I just wanted to say I love your comments. I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys, and I've been interacting with a lot of you. Thank you so much. I do appreciate your support, and I do appreciate that you guys really love my content. And yeah, I'll keep on bringing more of this content for you guys, and just let me know if there's anything else that you'd like me to film. I've already gotten some ideas from you guys. I am working on them, don't despair. So yeah, just Do remember to connect with me on my social media account, Instagram, Designyourspace_bythando. I'd really appreciate talking to you guys and getting to know you better. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. If you have enjoyed it and gotten some tips, please give it a big thumbs up, and also do remember to subscribe to the channel and become part of this family. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.